Hello friends, hope you have enjoyed my videos so far. So I'm here again with one more interesting video for all of you. As we saw in our previous video that to find the minimum and maximum value in a range we use the min and max function. However, what if we were required to find the second and the fifth largest value in a range? Then max function will be of no use to us. There comes the need of large and small functions. So let's learn them today. Now, this is my data range wherein I want to find the second largest value. Here, I'll be using the syntax is equal to large. I'll select the range from B3 to E25, comma, and I will put the k value. Here, k is an integer that specifies the position from the largest value, which means since I want to find the second largest value, I will be putting in the value 2 here to get the second largest value. Let's just enter and see what is the result. Oh, we've got 20,029 as the second largest value. Similarly, let's try and find the fifth largest value. So here comes our fifth largest value. Similar to the largest functions, we can use the small function to find the second, third or fifth smallest value in any range. Let's type the syntax is equal to small, select the range and separate it with our comma and write the kth value. Here, since I want to find the third smallest value, the k value here will be 3. And the solution that I've got is 1408. Similarly, let's try for the fourth smallest value. It will be equal to small. We select our range and put in a comma and write 4. Hey, we've got the value 1475. Do practice these time-saving and easy functions and make it part of your daily Excel. Feel free to reach me at msexcel.freak@gmail.com. Bye, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe.